What is event sourcing pattern? Hello friends. Sourcing pattern, your database or repository act as a source of events, a system of records. What does it mean? Let me give you an example. You have a banking account. You may have an opening balance of $1,000. You withdraw $50 to buy some shirt, and then you deposit $200 to your bank, and now your closing amount is 1,150. So when you get a statement, you get a transactions. This event happened. You bought a shirt. That was an event. $50 you spent. You deposited $200 money. You got a paycheck. That was an event. So we can see in this case it is unacceptable that somebody we go to the bank and he says you have $900 in your bank. How did you come around $900? We want to see each and every transaction. What were the amounts were withdrawn, what were deposited. We want to see all the events. I was working on a system where we were updating a flag. So it was a very complex workflow application. Lot of applications were updating same flag, and we did not know which application updated flag. It was so difficult to debug the system, so difficult. So if we used event sourcing or design, then we could have figured out what is the problem. So in event sourcing pattern, your database would have all the transaction, what was the transaction, description, date, so that any time you can find, any time after time you can find what is your state of the balance. So that this way you can compute your balance anytime. You can take any slice of time and figure it out. So what are the advantages of this event sourcing pattern? The first big advantage is performance. So what we can do is like let me show you a diagram of the system, of the banking system. So whenever some transaction is happening, you are withdrawing amount, you are spending amount, a transaction is recorded, and it is it goes to your account transaction balance. At that time your system can publish an event. Okay, some transaction has happened. So there may be other processes which are preparing monthly statement, weekly statement, yearly statement. Maybe your data is being pushed to other services. So all these background processes can run on the back end. So this way your application is your front end is just recording the transaction. It is not worried, it is not getting blocked by this processing. So your application would be very, very fast. It will respond fast. If there was some problem happens on calculating monthly statement, you can still continue record more transactions. So think in cloud computing, that why it's so popular in cloud computing. In your cloud, your application is up 24 hours by 7, all day, night, every day. So millions of transactions are happening. So you don't want to if something goes wrong, you don't want your system to hang out there. These background processes blocking your transaction. Yes. So let's come to the second advantage. Second advantage is in event sourcing, generally you are inserting records. Otherwise you would be updating same account balance, and if there are million of users and people are doing a lot of transactions, there will be a lot of concurrency issues. The database need to be logged, to be updated. That can create a lot of performance overhead. So the second benefit is is taking care of the concurrency issue. You don't have to worry about multiple updates happening on the same record. The third advantage is it's more domain driven, design friendly. These events makes more sense to the domain model. Okay, this transaction is happening, this transaction is withdrawing, so business expert can understand the events more easily. Fourth biggest advantage, as I mentioned in my previous problem, audit trail. So there was one flag which was being updated by multiple processes. We did not know which one is doing. So using event sourcing pattern, you can create a very good audit log every transaction you have. So anytime you can see how this state was achieved at that point of time, how many transactions were there, and how come your closing balance was like this 1 month before and it is right now. And the third benefit is, as we saw in our example, that we are publishing events. So it becomes a event publishing design model is a very good enterprise application integration pattern. So it decouples the client from the server, other processes, client from the publisher processes. You can scale up. Maybe your processing need strong, bigger machines, powerful machines. You may need a lot of processes to do the backend. You can scale those processes. You can replace any process as long they know how to handle the event, and you can add more channels to your events. So all the advantages of event-based programming comes into picture with this one. A lot of time this event sourcing pattern is used with the command query request segregation design pattern. So because in this, when you're recording events, you can design your database to be towards more write friendly, and background processes can access the database in more read friendly manner. So it is a great design pattern to learn to use in your application. So thank you friends. If you like the video, like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel for your regular updates. Thanks for watching.